Hi there, my name is Luke, one of the electricians here at Smoke Alarmed. If you live in Maroochydore and need some smoke alarms installed, replaced, repaired, serviced or tested, we would be only too happy to help. We're passionate about residential fire safety and ultimately saving lives through the installation, maintenance and meticulous testing of smoke alarms in each and every Maroochydore home we visit. We're licensed electricians who are smoke alarm installation and testing specialists, and when it comes to the safety of you, your family or tenants, we're thorough and don't cut any corners. When you choose Smoke Alarmed, here's 9 unique reasons why you may like to consider us when you need assistance with your smoke alarms. First of all, we don't charge a call-out fee, so it costs you absolutely nothing for us to drive out and visit you at your property in Maroochydore to have a chat about smoke alarms. Once we assess your property and your specific needs, you'll receive a free upfront quote for your approval before any work starts. You won't be given an open-ended hourly rate or even an estimate, but rather a fixed quote priced by the job and not by the hour. This means you know the full price before we start, so there are no nasty surprises. Nothing happens without your approval and you stay in complete control. Now, have you ever experienced tradesmen who turned up late or simply didn't turn up at all? We understand your time is valuable, so it's just as well we're sticklers for being on time. If we're late for your appointment for whatever reason, we guarantee to pay you $100, just as compensation for wasting your time. You won't be left wondering where we are either. We send a reminder of your appointment the day before and call or send an SMS when we're on our way. You'll even receive a tracking link so you can see us travelling to your house in Maroochydore in real time, turn by turn. We respect your property as if it's our own by wearing clean boot covers inside. We lay drop cloths and mats to protect your valuable floor surfaces. We even come equipped with a vacuum cleaner and cleaning products to ensure our work area is always left squeaky clean. If your smoke alarms need replacing, we'll recommend the right smoke alarm for you. We have years of experience installing, testing and maintaining smoke alarms across the Sunshine Coast region and Maroochydore specifically, so we know each and every smoke alarm model like the back of our hand. We know their strengths as well as their weaknesses, so we're well equipped to be able to recommend to you the best smoke alarm for your home and budget. We arrive in a fully stocked service vehicle, so this means that we can complete most smoke alarm installation and testing jobs the same day we visit, so you don't have to wait for us to come back another time. And we're a little OCD. It's important to us your new smoke alarms are installed centrally in corridors and straight and parallel with walls. No fingerprints will be left on ceilings and wiring will be run neatly and out of harm's way in the ceiling. It's the little things you often don't see which sets us apart. And lastly, in the unfortunate event you have a chirping or erratic smoke alarm going off for no reason, we'll fix it the same day you call or it's free. So if your property is on Aerodrome Road, Delton Drive, Maud Street, Main Road, Dewporth Avenue, in the Sunshine Coast precinct, in the Cotton Tree area along the Esplanade or anywhere in between, we're local and are ready to help. When you next need a smoke alarm installed or tested in Maroochydore, rely on the smoke alarm specialists at Smoke Alarmed. You can reach out to us by calling 1-800-SMOKE-ALARM, that's 1-800-766-532, or simply send us a quick text message on 0447 377 453. Thanks so much for watching and we really look forward to helping you soon.